Welcome to Cheap Crap from Cheap Stores. I'm taking a look at an electric screwdriver set that I got from Temu, like 28 bucks. This comes with a lot of different bits, some of the specialty bits, like with triangle bits that you need for iPhones and other electronics. This also has a flashlight on it, help you see what you're doing. Also has a little light up battery indicator.
Well, that seemed to work very well, so I would highly recommend this. I can't obviously speak to the longevity since, well, I opened it today, but I think it's a good buy.